An early morning update on our rail system. Lettuce of various types. Green oak, red oak, cos, ginger coming along, butterhead, 28 days old, hardening up nicely. Dutch bucket tomatoes again, tomatoes, crust tomatoes starting to ripen, a lovely big bunch there. We've put the shade cloth back on the roof because it's going to be 38 degrees today, full sun. You can see how high the tomato plants are growing now that we've added 2 feet to the roof. And the cucumbers heading up too. Down to the zucchinis. Massive fruit on there. More than ready to pick. Getting down towards the end of the season now. We lost a lot of lettuce in the heat wave we're having at the moment. We threw 18 of them out yesterday. The tomatoes are still doing alright. Oh, they're moving along. Cucumbers growing right up into the roof. Tomato tomatoes. Huge big bunches up there. Made a big difference having the roof open, not under shade cloth. The extra sunlight tomatoes are growing larger. They head up towards the roof. Bunches up there. And across